Lesson number 2. What is KNC? KNC, or Kyber Network Crystal, is the Ethereum token that's used to govern the Kyber protocol. Every KNC holder has the right to vote on proposals to improve the protocol. Voting with KNC is simple and rewards everyone who participates. Let's take a look at how voting works. Hannah has some KNC tokens in her crypto wallet. To vote, she visits kyber.org. Next, she follows the instructions on kyber.org to stake her KNC. Staking is the process of locking up funds to participate in the protocol's governance. Staking is required if she wants to vote, but she can stake and unstake her KNC whenever she likes. After Hannah stakes her KNC, she becomes a member of the Kyber Decentralized Autonomous Organization, or Kyber DAO. As a member of the Kyber DAO, she can vote on a wide variety of topics, including proposals to improve the protocol, changes to Kyber's transaction fee, and changes to how the fees are distributed. Transaction fees are collected whenever someone uses Kyber to exchange one token for another. These fees are collected in ETH, the native token of Ethereum, and distributed to stakeholders as rewards. As an example, the Kyber DAO might vote to use some of the fees to purchase KNC and burn it, or remove it from circulation, some of the fees to reward the reserves that provide liquidity for trades on Kyber, and some of the fees to reward members of the Kyber DAO, like Hannah. The fees are distributed roughly every 2 weeks. The more KNC Hannah has staked and the more active she is in voting, the more rewards she'll receive. In addition, the more Kyber grows, the more rewards there will be for distribution. If Hannah doesn't want to vote but still wants to receive rewards, she can also delegate her voting rights to a third party who can vote on her behalf. The KNC token is a critical part of the Kyber ecosystem. It gives every holder a way to be part of the development of the Kyber protocol. By distributing rewards, it also incentivizes each token holder to actively participate in improving the protocol.